Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to the Learning Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of statistics, exploring the concept of correlation. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step, so it's easy to understand and fun to learn. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Why correlation matters. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding why correlation is so important in statistics. Imagine you have a data set with tons of information. Correlation helps us identify relationships between different variables, allowing us to make predictions, uncover patterns, and draw meaningful conclusions. Introducing the correlation coefficient. Now, don't get intimidated by the math. Correlation is usually represented by the correlation coefficient, commonly denoted as or. This little number tells us whether two variables move together, move in opposite directions, or show no relationship at all. The scale ranges from -1 to 1, and we'll see what each value means. Positive correlation. Let's take an example to illustrate positive correlation. Imagine we're examining the relationship between study hours and exam scores. When the correlation coefficient is positive, it means that as study hours increase, so do the exam scores. It's like a motivational boost for all those hardworking students out there. Negative correlation. On the flip side, negative correlation comes into play when two variables move in opposite directions. Picture this: we're investigating the connection between regular exercise and stress levels. If the correlation coefficient is negative, it means that as exercise increases, stress levels decrease. So, let's get moving for a stress-free life. No correlation. But not every relationship is meant to be. When the correlation coefficient is 0, it suggests that there is no significant connection between the variables. For instance, the number of ice creams sold and the number of shark attacks might not be related at all. It's a fun fact, though.